Imagine standing in line for your flight, wondering if the gate agent will pull you aside for your bag. To avoid that stress and protect your budget, you need to know exactly what counts as a personal item on United. On this airline, your personal item must fit completely under the seat in front of you, with maximum dimensions of 9 by 10 by 17 inches. Think small backpacks, laptop bags, or purses. Unlike a standard carry-on, this bag stays at your feet the entire flight. If you're flying basic economy, this is likely the only bag you get for free. Bringing an oversized bag to the gate can result in a steep gate check fee, plus a handling surcharge. While soft-sided bags are easier to squeeze into the airport sizer, hard-shell cases are unforgiving. If your bag looks like it belongs in a classroom, it's a personal item. But if it looks like it's for a hiking trail, it's a carry-on. You can maximize space by wearing your bulkiest jacket with deep pockets to store chargers. Conveniently, items like coach, umbrellas, and diaper bags don't count against your limit. Just remember, unless you have special status or a specific credit card, the overhead bins are off limits for basic economy. Measure your bag before you leave to ensure a smooth boarding process.